Hey everyone, it's Andy from electricpetrolhead. If you want to take your GoPro sort of Hero 7 or whichever GoPro you've got and turn it into a really good sort of vlogging or just piece to camera, then check this out. So first of all, you're going to need some kind of case, a microphone, and then GoPro's very overpriced but sadly essential 3.5mm microphone adapter. And this is the Ulanzi, I think it is, case. Seems to be well used on other sites. I can put the link in the description below. But it's quite good because it's got quite a tall setup here for the microphone, which means that you don't see the sock when you're filming. So slide the back cover off, and on the GoPro you need to remove the side panel. This makes it it takes away the water resistance, so put it back on if you're going to go underwater, etc. Right, so slide that in and slide the camera back on. So that's now in. Now for the microphone you need to slide this in as well. Now, that goes in really neatly. So this is one of the few cases that holds the GoPro Pro 3.5mm mic adapter, and it does work really well. So keeps everything reasonably neat and tidy. You can then slide this back onto the top, and then that goes in. So you've got a very neat little setup there. So just to give you a slightly different angle there. If we turn it on. Now, although I said when the weight of it comes in, you can just see the bit there. So what I'll do is I'll wrap the cable around the hot shoe, and that will be a bit better there. But I think that's a really good setup. And then you could use something like this, or a tripod, or a monopod, or whatever you wanted to use as a way of holding the camera. And it's all neat, you know. And the other advantage is it doesn't take you that long just to rip the back panel off and put a new battery in, because that's another problem with some other cases I've used. It can take quite a while to get the camera back out, and if you're replacing battery packs, that's not what you want. So I'll put everything in the description below. That's just playing a video, there you go. I'll put everything in the description below, and you can have a look. Hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe, especially if you like electric cars, because that's the point of this channel. But thought this would be a useful extra, because a lot of people with an interest in cars want to use GoPros and things inside the car. So thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.